පාඩයක් පටන් ගත්තා equations හදන හැටි. නේද? straight line equations හදන හැටි කරලා equations ටික තමයි කරේ. අද මේ applications ටික තමයි බලන්න තියෙන්නේ. straight line of applications. Okay. I just remind that. So equation of the straight line. Equations of the straight lines. Consider gradient m intersect c equation y equal mx plus c. Gradient m, a line passing through x1 comma y1. The corresponding equation y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Then x1 y1, x2 y2. Line right y minus y1, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Here 2-point form, here point slope form, here point slope intercept form. Then next one, x-intercept A, y-intercept B equation, x over A plus y over B equal 1. Then perpendicular distance from the origin P and its inclination alpha, corresponding equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal P equation. Now we know there are 5 different types of equations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this one, we done parametric form. Okay, then here 5 different types. Then all we can represent in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 form. This is called general form of the straight line. General form. Here a, b, c, they are real values. And ab equals 0 cannot happen at once. That's the thing. So here straight line general form. Here 5 different forms of straight line. Then this general form we can reverse to slope intercept form and intercept form and normal form. We can reverse it. Okay, this is general form. So when you subject this y minus a over b x minus c over a, then here we say gradient and here we say y-intercept. So by this, let x equal 0, corresponding y value x0, y value minus c over b. Let y equal 0, corresponding x value y0, x value minus c over. This is equal y-intercept and this is equal x-intercept. Y-intercept, x-intercept. Part. By using general form, you can find gradient, you can find intercept. Intercept gradient. Okay, by general form, you can find gradient and intercept. That's it. Let's move further. Now last week I told you, so under straight line we have 4 different sections. So first one, different forms. Second one, point plus straight line relations. So then 2 point plus straight line relations, and last one 2 straight lines relations. So we done different forms. Then point straight line relations, 2 point straight line relations, 2 straight line relations. Make up it set එක විවර කරගන්න පුළුවන්. So straight line theory part එක fully complete කරන්න පුළුවන් දවසේ. Okay. Now point straight line relation. Point plus straight lines. Relations. Now you consider x1, y1 and ax plus by plus c equals 0 are given point and a straight line. You consider ax plus by plus c equals 0 given straight line. x1, y1 given point. So here first case, position. You substitute this x1, y1 to the line. Then ax1 b1 plus y c equals 0. We have 2 cases. Can be 0 ax1 plus by1 plus c not equal 0. We have 2 cases. As an example, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0. Let 1 comma 1, then 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 5 will get 0. Let 2 comma 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 1 minus 5, here not equal 0. Right? One is 0, the other one not equal 0. Okay. So now we have 2 possibilities. So if that equals 0, you say then x1, y1 lies on the line. Lies on the line. Then x1, y1 lies outside the line. Condition. First one, substitute point. If the result 0, you say the point on the line, otherwise point outside the line. Simple. Okay, write point straight line relations. Point straight line relations. Point straight line relations. Okay, just write. Let ax plus by plus c equals 0. Let ax plus by plus c equals 0 is a given straight line. Is a given straight line. And x1 comma y1, x1 comma y1 is a given point. Is a given point. The position of the point, the position of the point, the position of the point with respect to a line, with respect to a line is obtained by substituting point to the line. Point to the line. If it is satisfied, if it is satisfied, the corresponding point lies on the line. The corresponding point lies on the line. Otherwise, point lies outside to the line. Point lies outside to the line. Point lies outside to the line. Okay. Now you write this part and the example. Simple technique. Just substitute, point to the line, check whether it is satisfied or not. Satisfied means that equal to 0. Right, example also. අපි ඩිස්කස් කරන හැම පොයින්ට් එකකින්ම ෆ්‍රැක්ෂන්ස් දෙනවා හරියද? මේ දෙකක්වත් මගේ අරගන්නවා තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් අහන්න. ඒක ඔක්කොම මික්ස් වෙලා ඉන්නේ. ඒතකොට අර ස්ටක් කරන එක දැන් පාර්ට් A ෆ්‍රැක්ෂන් එක නම් තියරි එකක් බේස්. Now it's star mark write down. It's star mark write down. If the point lies on the line, the point lies on the line. The point lies on the line. Lies outside the line. If the point lies outside the line, then it is possible to sketch. It is possible to sketch a perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. So take this x1, y1. Now you can sketch a perpendicular. Then take this point A. So if you produce this with equal length, this is called mirror image. Say A dash mirror image. Of A on the line. And say this one B, we call B's base coordinate. Of the normal. And here this is called perpendicular distance, let's say D. Perpendicular distance to the line. Okay. So now identify this line given, this is given, and this point given. So you know now when you substitute to the line, then ax1 plus by1 plus c not equal 0, no? It is not equal 0 because the point outside the line, point outside the line. Then here are the theorems. First one, d equal modulus 3 times a square plus b square. Then second one, base coordinate at plus x1 comma bt plus y1. Okay. And third, mirror point a dash 2at plus alpha, say x1, alpha and beta. And here alpha, beta. Here alpha, beta. 2at plus alpha, 2bt plus beta. For each case, we say t value minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. Okay, තමයි theory තුනක් මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. Okay, proof ටික බලලා ඒක applications ටිකක් බලන්න. Remember, if point lies outside the line, then we can sketch the perpendicular. Then there's a way to find perpendicular distance, base coordinate and mirror point. Okay, here the way, here perpendicular distance, here base coordinate and here mirror image. Alpha given, beta given, a, b, c given, t there. Okay, then you can find the point. Okay, right there. My hand and you can just write. හරි බලන්න මේක proof එක take gradient m මේ proof එක දැනගන්න මම මේ කියන්නේ අපිට direct apply කරන්න පුළුවන් theory එක මම direct apply කරන්න කියලා දෙන්නම් before that m equal minus a divided by b gradient and subject y corresponding gradient minus a divided by b then this is perpendicular then we know straight line gradient m. Another line perpendicular to this, we write minus 1 over m. Minus 1 over m. If lines parallel, m1, m2 equal, m1 equal m2, lines perpendicular, m1, m2 equal minus 1. Gradient product minus 1. Here for parallel. then M2 equal minus 1 over M1. M2 equal minus 1 over M1. Therefore, here M perpendicular line gradient minus 1 over M. Therefore, here A dash gradient of AX plus BY plus C equal 0 is minus A divided by B. Therefore, gradient of A dash perpendicular, then take reciprocal, reverse the sign, B divided by A. Reciprocal, reverse the sign, B of A. Then you take any point on this line, say x bar, y bar, x bar, y bar. Let x bar, y bar is a point on the line A dash, on the A dash line. Now take these 2 points, write gradient. We know 2 points given, then gradient y bar minus beta, x bar minus alpha L. Using these 2 points, write gradient y bar minus beta or x bar minus alpha. Now its gradient B divided by A. B divided by A. Here we don't know x bar, y bar. X bar, y bar we don't know. But you separate x and y, cross multiply. Y bar minus beta over B, x bar minus alpha over A. Okay. Then take T, a parameter. Variable parameter. Then variable parameter T. Then equate these two. Y bar minus beta equal bt. Equate these two. X bar minus alpha equal at. Then x bar equal at plus alpha. Y bar equal bt plus beta. What is the simplification? Therefore, point P x bar y bar. X bar equal at plus alpha bt plus beta. X bar equal at plus alpha bt plus beta. Simple T. Now let parameter related to B is capital T. Then parameter related to simple P is simple T. Parameter related to P is T. Then parameter related to B, you take capital T. T. Therefore, B point replace T by capital T. At plus alpha, bt plus theta. This is proof. Simple T general parameter. Taking our point represent. Then special capital T parameter related to B. Then replace simple T by capital T. Then that gives point B. Point B. Then AB distance. AB distance D. AB distance. Here point A. Here point B. Then distance formula, 2-point form. Distance formula. X difference AT plus alpha minus alpha square. Y difference BT plus beta minus beta square root. Distance between 2 points. X difference square, Y difference square root. Median X. And here the other X. Take X difference. Here Y and there Y. Y difference square root. Now simplify. Cancel alpha, cancel beta. Then finally A square T square B square T square root. Then T square common. A square plus B square root. Take T outside. Need to put modulus, okay? Because we take length now. A square plus B square root. Here second theorem proof. Perpendicular distance from the point. With second theorem proof. Okay. Then third theorem proof. Then parameter related to A dash. See this, na? Here point A, usually parameter represent this length. Then here to here length, simple T. And here to here length, I do capital T, no? Parameter, capital T. Here, capital T. Then here, twice length. Mirror mean twice length. Therefore, parameter related to B, capital T. Then parameter related to A dash, 2T. Twice of the length. Then parameter related to A dash is 2T. 2T. Therefore, point A dash, here general point, then replace simple T by capital 2T. 2T. Then you can take A dash. A 2T plus alpha, B 2T plus beta. Then finally 2AT plus alpha, 2BT plus beta. Here third theorem proof. Third theorem proof. Okay. Do after that. Theorem proof එක මතක තියාගන්න. හැබැයි අපිට මේක direct application එක ගොඩක් simple. හරි. මම මේක පැරාමීටර් ගැන තව එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරනවා. දැන් ජස්ට් අයිඩියා එකක් ගන්න. ax plus by plus c equals 0. Get the diagram. Alpha comma beta. Here b. Here a dash. Here a. Perpendicular. Then here point B on this line, no? Point B is on ax plus by plus c equals 0. If the point on the line, you can substitute the point. Then x mean at plus alpha, y mean bt plus beta. Plus C. Now A, B, C given, alpha, beta given, T value we can find. Then A square T, A alpha, B square T, B beta, C 0. Then subject T, A square plus B square minus A alpha plus b beta plus c. මේ theory එක හරි simple මේ ලොකුවට කතාව කියන්න. t equal minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. This is t. ඒක අන්න ඔක්කොම කරගන්න. මම application එක ඊට පස්සේ කියලා දෙන්නම්. Here consider point A x1 y1. Then here point B. Point B. Parameter related to B is capital T කියලා ගන්න. Then parameter related to capital T කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ AB length එක. Represent AB. That represent AB length. Then you take another equal distance here C. Therefore parameter related to C here twice of the length. No? Then parameter related to C is 2t. Length එක double වෙනකොට parameter එකක් double වෙනවා. Then get another length D. 1, 2, 3. Therefore parameter related to D is 3t. That's it. හරි. මේක නිකන් just t නම් here twice the length. Then say 2t. Then twice the length. Say 3t. ඒ විදිහට figures එක කරනවා. මේකෙන් half එකක් කරනකොට half t. Half t. තේරෙනවද? මේකට parameter එක t නම් මේකේ half එකක්. Then midpoint. t divided by 2. That's it. ඒක නිකන් just count එකක් දාගන්න point එක. parameter ගැන තව විස්තර ටිකක් කියන්න දෙනවා. දැන් just idea එක ගන්න. මම මේ parameter ගැන detail discussion එකක් දෙන්නම් මේක apply කරන්න හැටි කියලා. මේක apply කරන හැටි බලලා අපි detail discussion එකකට එමු. parameter කියන්නේ හරි බලන්න මේ theory application එක. මේ theory application එක හරි simple ලා. පොඩ්ඩක් බලාගන්න. Here ax plus by plus c equals 0. Alpha comma beta outside the line. Then here are theorems. A dash. D equal modulus t times a square plus b square root. Then b equal at plus alpha bt plus beta. A dash 2at plus alpha 2bt plus beta. for each case t equal minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. මේක තමයි අපි ගන්න. වෙන්න මේක තාම පොඩ්ඩක් අපිට හදන්න පුළුවන්. d equal modulus t a square plus b square root. Then we know t, no? Substituting. Minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square modulus a square plus b square root. මේ modulus sign එක කරන්නේ sign එක plus කරන එක. Only converting to positive. Then you can remove this minus sign. Then a alpha plus b beta plus c. This modulus sign you split it. And for denominator no need modulus, no? It is always positive, then no need modulus. Then with this one you can cancel a square plus b square root. Cancel one term, and this will be a alpha plus b beta plus 3 over a square plus b square root. And now all the format එක direct මතක තියාගත්තට කමන්නේ. Perpendicular distance. Okay. A part එකක් දාගන්න. මම example එක බලමු. See this example. Take 3x plus 4y plus 1 equals 0 and point 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. Then 2 comma 1 outside the line. Substitute 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 surely not equals 0. Therefore, point A lies outside to the line. Then we can sketch perpendicular, then perpendicular distance. You apply directly this one. Then simple theory, you take this part, substitute this coordinate a alpha plus b beta plus c now. Then 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 4 times 1 plus 1, put modulus over a square plus b square root, a square plus b square root. Here a, b mean xy coefficients. Then x coefficient 3, square y coefficient 4. By the pattern එක කෙලින්ම apply කරන්න. Now simplify. 6, 10, 11, here 5. Here perpendicular distance, that's 6. Okay. Take this point, take this part, substitute, take modulus. Here modulus no need because always positive thing here. Then modulus no need. Then denominator x coefficient square, y coefficient square, root. Etc. Then if you need to find base coordinate b and a dash, you write b coordinate at plus alpha bt plus beta. Base coordinate at plus alpha bt plus beta. Now alpha mean 2, a mean x coefficient 3, b mean y coefficient 4, beta mean 1. Then 8t plus 2, 4t plus 1. This is base coordinate b. Then mirror point a dash. Mirror point theorem 2at plus alpha 2bt plus beta. We were fixed. Then 2at plus alpha 2bt plus beta. 2a value 3, t plus alpha value 2, 2 b value 4, 2bt plus beta, beta value 1. Then 6t plus 2, 8t plus 1. Then t what is right there? Here t minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. t. Then take c. It is minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. No root, no. Minus, take this line, substitute. 3 into 2, 4 into 1 plus 1 over a square plus b square. 3 square plus 4 square. Then 6, 10, 11 over 25 minus. Here parameter. Then that parameter you substitute here, you can find base code. And parameter substitute here, you can find mirror point. And make direct substitute. एक कंप्लीट मेक दागन नहीं मैं पार्ट का दागन ना हो मैं बेहतर मेक डायरेक्ट मत दिया जाना मेक वाला मेक स्पीड मेक आए स्पीड वाला आए सब्सिट्यूट करना एक डायरेक्टली एक अप्लाई कर गया तो मेक स्पीड ना मेक इधर से मेक एग्जांपल ना तेरे ना फिर उतना प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे सलाम पता नहीं यार पॉइंट स्ट्रेट लाइन रिलेशंस ये आ रहे हैं point straight line relations are other position and if it is outside the line then perpendicular distance, mirror image and base code. So base code मैं formula वाला directly apply कर रहा है अब मैं वहाँ formula का जानने को तो हरियटा में पैटर्न ने काम किया छोटा मदर यार का मैं तो मैं पैटर्न में करता हूँ अभी एक दान में मेरे पेज नंबर की दाग है 55 पेज नंबर 14 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 एप्लीकेशन ने करना है लाइन 3x minus 4y minus 2 0 point 1 1 then perpendicular distance බලන්න එක පාර්ට් වල දෙන හැටි take this part 3x minus 4y minus 2 for x substitute 1 for y substitute 1 good modulus over a square plus b square root 3 square plus 4 square root that's it 3 minus 4 minus 2 6 minus 3 5 modulus then remove minus sign 3 over 5 is that's it okay perpendicular distance see another one 5x minus 12y plus 3 equals 0 minus 2 comma 3 point then here perpendicular distance d you write take this part 5x minus 12y plus 3 then instead of x put minus 2 5 into minus 2, y into 3, 12, y replaced by 3. Put modulus, then 5 square plus 12 square. Here perpendicular distance, here minus 10, minus 26, plus 3 modulus, here 13. Then 26, 23, 33 over 13, minus 33 plus current units. That's it. The perpendicular distance directly got to prove. All our proof for there. Element apply करना. हम parameter against out किया ना. Okay. Do that question. So question number 55. So now need to sketch. Now need to sketch. Second part 12x plus 5y. 12x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0. 12x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0. Second equation 12x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0. Okay, do so. मैं एग्जांपल्स पे याद करें एक अंदाजा रखना हमने दागना आर्गुमेंट क्लियर करा डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन है तेरे ने तो हाथ है अपन कराएंगे माइनस वैल्यू कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लस कितना माइनस कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लस दैट्स इट මෙතන මේ 12 times 3 36 එන්නේ 43 වෙනවා 43 නේ හරි මම ඒක හදන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේද ඒක නිකන් ඩිරෙක්ට් ඇප්ලයි කරන්න තියෙන්නේ We're going to state check 55 first part 3 into 0 2 into 0 minus 5 modulus 3 square plus 2 square root 5 divided by root 30 second one 12 into 1 5 into 2 plus 1 modulus over 12 square plus 5 square root 23 over 30 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 3 modulus over 2 square plus 1 square root. Here 2, 3, 0. That means that point on the line. Point on the line. Third one. Fourth, x plus y. Then 3 plus 2 modulus over 1 square plus 1 square root. Then 5 over root 2 units. ඔයාලට මේක ලියනකොට යුනිට් එක දාන්න ඕනේ. මොකද අපිට යුනිට්ස් දීලා නැහැ. දැන් මෙතන මේ ඇත්තම කතාව මේක නිකන් ජෙනරල් තියරි එකක් කියන්නේ. ඒකට මේක තියරි ඇප්ලිකේෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් ඔයාලා හිතන්නකෝ මෙතන මේ ඇක්සිස් ටික xy ඇක්සිස් කියන්නේ ඩිස්ප්ලේස්මන්ට්ස් දෙක තමයි මම කියන්නේ. එතන යන්නේ මීටර්ස්. ඒ ඩිස්ප්ලේස්මන්ට් එක කිලෝමීටර්ස් වලින් ගත්තා කිලෝමීටර්ස් වල. ලොකේෂන්ස් ගන්න අපි ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මේක කෝඩ් මේ ඇක්සිස් එක time axis velocity axis VD graph එකට apply කරන්න පුළුවන්. VD graph එකට apply කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ වගේ දෙයක්. ඒතර ඒ වගේ application එක අනුව එක unit එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. එහෙනම් length මේ length එක ගන්නදී ඒක කැමති විදිහට එක unit එකක් set වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකින්ද units කියලා දාන්න. for area square units. එදිර ගන්න. Okay, do question number 57. Question number 57. करने एक्शंस मार्क करेगा मैं इक्वल करेंगे हम question number 57 with the perpendicular distance from the point from one straight line 3x minus 4y plus lambda equals 0 point 4 comma 1 3 4.1 minus plus lambda modulus raised power plus cos power equal 4 units 12 8 modulus equal 4 8 plus lambda modulus equal 20. See how to remove this modulus. 8 plus lambda put plus or minus 20. Then for plus value lambda equal 12. For minus value lambda equal minus 20. Two possibilities. इतना simplification process से काम कर here direct theorem perpendicular distance given 4 then we have modulus we don't know lambda value exactly therefore you can't remove modulus because lambda can be positive lambda can be negative therefore you can't modulus sign you can't remove modulus sign then when you come to here to remove this modulus you put plus or minus one side that can be right side or that can be left side if it is okay. Then 8 plus lambda plus or minus 20. Take plus value, simplify. Take minus value, simplify. Okay, you go to question number 60. Go to question number 60. Question number 60. The distance from the origin to a straight line to minus 1 comma 2 is 1 unit. There's a line, it is not given, and on this line there's a point minus 1 comma 2. Then from the origin 0 comma 0 perpendicular distance given. It is 1 unit. Then if we know this line, then we can apply the theorem directly. Now let the gradient m, then write equation of the line. Then point slope form, right? Y minus 2 m times x minus minus 1. Here point slope form. Then y minus 2 mx plus m. General form mx minus y m plus 2 equals 0. Now here the line. Then from 0 to 0, 0, 0, comma 0, perpendicular distance 1. Now recapitulate here. 0, 0. M times 0, 0, m plus 2 modulus over m square plus 1 square root. Perpendicular distance given 1. Only point given, then take gradient and write equation. Then equation of the line on point origin 0, 0. Perpendicular distance given. Then perpendicular distance formula a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square root. Then here a value m, b value minus 1, c value m plus 2. Then you find m value 0, 0. M plus 2 modulus n square plus 1 root equal 1. M plus 2 modulus n square plus 1 root. You need to simplify this. To remove modulus sin square both sides, m plus 2 square m square plus 1, then m square plus 4m plus 4 m square plus 1 m equal minus 3/4. Find the equation of this straight line. Therefore n known and yes substitute. Minus 3/4 x minus 5 minus 3/4 plus 2 0 minus 3x minus 4y minus 3 plus 8 0. Then you can simplify. Put all the other side. 3x plus 4y minus 5 0. Here the equation. එතර ඔයාලා දැන් අර ඩිරෙක්ට් තියරි එක විතරක් නෙවෙයි ඒකත් එක්ක මූව් වෙවි යන්න ඕනේ. මේ ලයින් එක දීලා නැහැ. අපි ඒක අතින් ගත්ත gradient term, write the line, then distance given from the origin. Distance from the origin given. Then according this line, you write perpendicular distance. Then you simplify and find gradient. Direct application of theorem. Question number 56. This direct theory application. Here line given 2x minus y minus 3 0 point given 2 comma minus 3. Surely this is outside the line. So we need this perpendicular distance and base coordinate. Then we know directly perpendicular distance 2 times 2 minus minus 3 modulus 2 square plus 1 square root 4 plus 3 minus 3 or all root 5 units. Here perpendicular distance. Then base coordinate. It is at plus alpha, bt plus beta, then a value 2, alpha value 2, b value minus 1, beta value minus 3. Then find t. So we know t minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. ආයෙත් මේ straight line circles වල directly මේ theory apply කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? සමහර ලාවට එකක් දෙකක් prove කරන්න දෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි දැන් තියෙන කතාවේ හැටියට proof හරි අඩුයි. මොකද circle straight line mix කරනවනේ. ඒක proof එකක් දීලා question එක කරේ අමාරුයි. දැන් දෙන්න නෑම කියන්න බෑ. හැබැයි පුළුවන් දෙන්න. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දෙන්නේ නෑ. ඒක direct apply කරන්න practice කරන්න. Okay, then make it මේ formula ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Take this part, put minus, substitute point, over a square plus b square, 2 square plus 1 square. Now here, minus 4 over 5. This is t. Therefore, base coordinate t value minus 4 over 5 plus 2 t minus t 4 over 5 minus 3. Here base coordinate 2 over 5 minus 11 over 5. Okay, now we go to section number 59. Go to section number 59. Okay, you start it. Small hint, section number 59, verses are given. Verses of a triangle given. Okay, then we need to find altitude, length of the altitude. Altitude means from the vertex sketch perpendicular. Again, perpendicular distance tamai. Then you need line. Okay, you need line. Here 3 points given. Small hint class. Point A 0, 0. Point B 1, minus 1. Point C 3, 2. Here one altitude. If you need to find this length, here point given, you need this line, no? Equation of this line needed. 2 point given, by using 2 point form, write this equation first. Write this equation first. Then you know equation, you know this point, find altitude length. Okay, starting now. Let's find AB line 2.4 y minus 0 n times x minus 0. Then m y difference of x difference minus 1 minus 0 1 minus 0. Then y here minus x. Then x plus y equals 0. Here's the line. Then here say h1 h1. Apply direct theorem, modulus, substitute 3 plus 2 modulus, coefficient 1 and 1, 1 square plus 1 square, that's it. 5 divided by root 2 units. 5 divided by root 2 units. First find equation, thereafter you find perpendicular distance. Likewise, each case you find length of the altitude. Here says 2 BC line 2.4 y minus 1 m times x minus 1 m 2 minus 1 3 minus 1, then y plus 1 3 over 2, x minus 1 simplify, 2y plus 2, 3x minus 3, take one side, 3x minus 2y minus 5 0. Here line BC, then point now 0 0. Then x2, apply theorem, substitute 0 0, 3 times 0, 2 times 0 minus 5 modulus, x coefficient 3 square, y coefficient 2 square. Here 5 divided by root 30 units. 3 square plus 2 square. Put 30 minutes. Find equation by 2.4, then apply here. Then similarly find AC line. Do same. ඉස්සරහට යමු. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් කතා කරන්න මට. නිකන් ලියන්න එපා. මම කියන කෙක්ෂන් එක වෙනවා ළඟ මොකක් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් හදන්න ආයෙ කෙක්ෂන් එක දෙක වෙලාව නැති කරගන්න එපා. AC y minus 0 m times x minus 0 m 2 minus 0 3 minus 0 2 over 3 x 2x minus 3y 0 here AC. Then x3 perpendicular distance x3 substitute 1 minus 1 2 times 1 3 times minus 1 modulus 2 square plus 3 square root 2 3 5 units. Then you go to question number 61. Go to question number 61. ABCD rhombus. With that word, there are many properties are given. ABCD rhombus. A, B, C, D rhombus. Then all four sides equal. Diagonals perpendicular. Diagonals are bisected, angles bisected, opposite sides parallel. Likewise, there are many properties given with that word. The diagonal AC of the rhombus ABC x plus 2y equals 4. AC diagonal x plus 2y equals 4. You better to get general form. X plus 2y minus 4 0. Here AC line. Usually you better to convert into general form. A and B are points 2, 1 and 6, 4. A 2, 1. And B 6, 4. Now take this 2, 1. When you substitute here, 2 plus 2 minus 4, 0, satisfied, no? Then that is true. B 6, 4. You substitute 6 plus 8 not equal 0. That is true. That is a point. Then the equation of BD. Equation of BD. Then take here E. Now this line given, this point given. Then you can find E no base coordinate, and you can find the mirror point. Find mirror point. Then if you know mirror point, then you can write gradient and all. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් gradient of AC MAC minus 1 over 2 නේ. Y subject y x coefficient minus half. Then BD perpendicular. BD AC perpendicular. Therefore MBD take reciprocal, reverse the sign. And line gradient m, perpendicular line gradient minus 1 over m. Here gradient minus half, then here perpendicular line gradient, take reciprocal, reverse the sign 2. Now B point known, gradient known, write BD. Therefore BD, you know gradient, you know points, slope 4, y minus 4, m times x minus 6, then y minus 4, 3x minus 18, 3x minus y minus 14, 0. This is BD line. ඔයාලා දැන් බලන්න ඕනේ line එකක් හොයන්න තියෙනවා නම් අපිට තියෙනවා formats පහක් by different forms. Point slope form, slope intercept form, 2 point form, intercept form, normal form. ඒ විදිහට point pattern පහක් තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඒකෙන් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් මොනවද කියලා බලන්න. Need AD BD line point given. Then if we know gradient, then we can find the line number. And here for rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular. Then gradient here minus half. Then perpendicular line gradient minus 1 over m. Then 2. Then write BD. Two next. X minus 5 plus 8 and minus 8 BD. The coordinates of the point C and D. Now you find point E. We have two methods. AC line given, BD line known now. When you solve here 1 and 2, you can find intersection point. Take theory. Solve equations, then intersection point we can find. Or otherwise, you know this line, you know this point B, it is given. You can find mirror point, right? Mirror point, then that is D. Then here this line now known, this point given, you find mirror point. 2AT plus alpha, 2BT plus beta. In our techniques ගොඩක් තියෙනවා දැන්. theory එකට. තව theory එනකොට තව techniques වැඩි වෙනවා. එහෙනම් හිතන්න ක්‍රම ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. කැමති අය apply කරන්න. Coordinate geometry B line known, find E point, base point. Then point E, point B known, 2:1 external division, find B. Here 2:1 external division, find C by coordinate geometry. Whatever it is, okay. Continue. Adisina හරියට කරන්න. Point E 4,0. One line solve करना चाहते हैं. Solve these two equations, then intersection point you can find. The point E now 4,0. Then consider external division. Find C. 2:1 external division. Here point A, 2, 1, point E, 4, 0. Here point C. Here 2 to 1 external division. 2 times 4, 1 times 2. 2 minus 1. 2 times 0. 1 times 1. 2 minus 1. 8, 6 minus 1. Here point C. Similarly, you find D. B 6, 4. E 4, 0. Here D. Again 2 to 1 external division. 2 times 4. 1 times 6. 2 minus 1. 2 times 0. 1 times 4. 8, 6, 2. By coordinate geometry. Nearby values parameter and path. You double check and prove. Then area of the rhombus. Triangle area का double करना පුළුවන්. මේ length එක හොයලා මේ length එකයි මේකයි අරගෙන පුළුවන්. Find AB length. Find this altitude. Sage. Third one area. Find AB. AB length. 2 point given. 4 minus 2. Sorry. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 square. 4 minus 1 square root. 4, 6 minus 2 square, 4 minus 1 square root. 4 square, 3 square root 5. Then perpendicular distance h. Now you know D, no? Point D 2, minus 4. Okay, then AB line එක අරගෙන මේ perpendicular distance එක ගන්න කලින් ටෙක්නික් එක බලුවානේ. ඒක ගන්න. Then right AB line y minus 1 10 times x minus 2 4 minus 1 6 minus 2 4y minus 4 3x minus 6 3x minus 4y minus 2 0 AB. Then AB non D point non find H. Then substitute point 3 into 2 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 modulus 3 square plus 4 square. Here 20 over 5 4. Then area AB into H. AB value 5, H value 4. 20 square units. 20 square units. Dara theory of mix heavy in there. I mean, I'm going to apply it. පාට ඔය ඒරියා එක වහන්න කැමති මෙතෙන්ට එක්කට යන්න මම ගිය සතියේ පාට අර කෝඩිනේට්ස් වලින් කතාව දුන්නා. ඒ කෝඩිනේට්ස් කතාවෙන් ඉන්නේ දැන් මේක අර සිලබස් එකේ අයින් කරපු කතාව කලින් තිබුණ එක. ඒ හින්දා ගොඩක් ගණන් වලට අපිට ඕක ඇප්ලයි කරගන්න වෙනවා. ගණන් කම්ප්ලීට් කරගන්න. ඒක දැනට ඒක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් දෙන ගණන් වලට ඔය රිලේෂන් එක ස්කිප් කරලා යන්න තමයි දෙන්නේ. හරි. ඒ හින්දා මේ normal area relation එකේ යන කරන එකේ වල තමයි ගොඩක් කරන්නේ දෙන්නේ. අපි පුළුවන් තරම් ඒක අයින් වෙන විදිහට ගන්න හදාගෙන යන්න. ඒ ෆෝමියුලා එක අයින් වෙන විදිහට ගන්න හදාගෙන යන්න. මේ බැරිම තරක් ආවම ඒක වාසිය කරනවා. සමහර කෙක්ෂන්ස් කියන අපිට එහෙම ඇනලයිස් කරලා ගන්න බෑ මේක සෑහෙන දුරට පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ ස්ටෙප් එක හිතන්න. කොහොමද යන්න ඕනේ කියන පාත් එක ඇනලයිස් කරලා බලන්න. මේ ඩේටා දෙක දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒකෙන් කොහොමද යන්න ඕනේ කියන එක බලන්න. මේ දෙන්න පර්පෙන්ඩිකුලර් ඩේටා සෙට් ඔක්කොම ටික ඔළුවේ තියෙනවා. ඒතර ඒ සෙට් එක ආවේ නැතුනොත් ඔකට දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ, පේන්නේ නැහැ හරියට. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට දෙන්න ඕනේ ජියොමෙට්‍රි අර රොම්බස් කියලා දෙනවා, ස්ක්වයර් කියලා දෙනවා, ඉක්විලැටරල් ට්‍රයැන්ගල් කියලා දෙනවා. ඒතකොට ඒ වල තියෙන ප්‍රොපර්ටිස් වලින්ම අපෝසරයක් බලන්න. ඒතර ඒකත් එක්ක අපිට මැච් කරන්න පුළුවන් මොනවද කියලා බලන්න. හරි අපි තව එක තියරි එකට යමු. Okay, now let's move to next topic. Write down. Two points and straight line relation. 2 point and straight line relation. Okay, write it. 2 point and straight line relation. Point and straight line relation. Okay, just write. Let ax plus by plus c equals 0 is a given straight line. Is a given straight line. And x1 comma y1 within bracket x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are two given points. The position of the points with respect to the line can be analyzed as the given below. Okay, see this one now. Now we mainly discuss about coordinate geometry, straight line, then circle. Coordinate geometry, straight line and circle. So under coordinate geometry, we have 2-point relations. Distance formula, section formula. Then area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Okay. Then midpoint, section formula के में midpoint x sum divided by 2, y sum divided by 2. हर ठीक है. इट पास से gradients, y difference over x difference gradient. When two lines are parallel, gradient set. When two lines perpendicular, gradient product minus sum. Then m parallel line gradient m perpendicular line gradient minus 1 over m. මේවා හැම වෙලේම මේ කියන points වල හැම වෙලේම memorize කරන්න. ඒ වුණාම තමයි ඔය question එකට හදන්න පුළුවන් path එක හැදෙන්නේ. Then straight line relations. Straight lines, we have 4 different sections. So first one, equation formats. Equation formats. 5 different forms. According to given data, 5 different formats. First one, slope intercept form, y equal mx plus c. Second one, point slope form, y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Third one, 2-point form, y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 of x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. 2-point form. Fourth, intercept form, x intercept y intercept given, x over a plus y over b equal 1. Fifth one, normal form, perpendicular distance from the origin p is inclination alpha. Then x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. 5 different formats. Then next, point straight line relations. Point straight line relations. So first one, position. You need to substitute point to the line. If the result 0, if the result 0 means it's satisfied. If the result 0, point on the line, otherwise outside the line. If the point outside the line, then we can sketch perpendicular. Then that perpendicular has base coordinate, and further we can get mirror image. 3 different equations. Then perpendicular distance, a alpha plus b beta plus c modulus of a square plus b square root. Base coordinate at plus alpha bt plus beta. Mirror point 2at plus alpha, 2bt plus beta. Then t value minus a alpha plus b beta plus c over a square plus b square. Okay, then 2-point and straight line relations. We have only one relation. I'm going to find the position. So this line given ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here x1 y1 x2 y2. මේ theory එක හරිම simple theory එකක්. Proof එක පොඩ්ඩක් විතර දිගට යනවා එවනම් theory එක simple. Then you take this part, see direct theorem. Take this part, substitute each coordinate. ax1 by1 c times ax2 by2 c. Substitute. Definitely you know it's not 0, no? Because x1 y1 x2 y2 both are outside the line. Therefore not equal 0, not equal 0. But this can be positive or negative. This can be positive or negative. The product can be positive or negative, no? High combinations, then this product can be positive or this product can be negative. Can be negative. Only 2 possibilities. Only 2 possibilities. So for this positive case, we say 2 points lies same side. For positive, same side. For negative, opposite sides. Then for positive, then x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 lies same side. Then for negative, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 lies opposite sides. මේ තමයි theory එකේ simple part එක. Okay, proof එක ඊළඟට කරමු. Very simple theory. take this part only, substitute each coordinate and multiply. Check whether it is positive or negative. For positive, same side. For negative, opposite side. Theory ka daagannako. Application එක හරි simple ලා. Sections තුනක් ඉවරයි. තව එකයි තියෙන්නේ straight line වලින්. Okay. Page number 42. Section number 42. Section number 42. Question number 42. Page number again. Mula mari. Page number 8 Page number 8 එකේ question number 42 එකට. Page number 8. Determine the position of the point PQ denoted against each of the following straight lines. Each of the following straight lines. Okay, I do one. 5x minus 7y minus 4 equals 0 with 2, 1 minus 3, minus 1. You take this part and substitute. 5 into 2, 7 into 1 minus 4. Substitute the other one. 5 into minus 3, 7 into minus 1, minus 4. Now you need to simplify exactly what you find side. Here 10 minus 11. Minus 15 plus 7 minus 4. Negative and here negative. Therefore positive. Then positive, 2 points like opposite, same side. Therefore say, therefore P and Q. Here point PQ lies positive same side. Same side to the line 5x minus 7y minus 4 equals 0. Simple application. For this part, substitute PQ, multiply, check its sign. That's it. හරියටම simplify කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Sign එක ගන්න බැලුවොත් හොඳට. Okay. Complete the other. බලන්න proof එක මම හදන්න දේවල් නැහැ නේ නිකන් substitute කරන sign එක බලන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay, see this proof. Point A, point B, you take point C here. C. Now let AC is to CB equal K is to 1. I take here K is to 1. දෙන්නෙම unknown දෙන්නෙම ඕනේ M is to n කියලා දෙන්නෙම ඕනේ එක්කෙනෙක් විතරක් දාන්න. K is to 1. Because 3 is to 2 you can write 3 over 2 is to 1. Or 3 is to 2, 1 is to 2 over 3. Likewise, you can take one side 1. So if we can find K value, if that K value positive, then 2 point opposite sides. If we get k value negative, this goes to other side. Then if k value positive, 2 points opposite side. If k value negative, 2 points same side. That's the condition. Now coordinate geometry, internal division, you write point C. Internal division. K is to x2, kx2, 1x1 over k plus 1. This is coordinate geometry. K into y2, 1 into y1, k plus 1. Now this is C coordinate. We don't know k. But we know C on this line. C on this line. C is on the line ax plus by plus c equals 0. If it is on the line, you can substitute. It is satisfied. Substitute. Instead of x, put this one. Instead of y, put this one. Now simplify. A, kx2, ax1, bky2, by1 multiply ck plus c0. Then take k terms. ax2, by2 plus c. The other terms you put the other side. ax1, by1 c. Then k value 5. ax1, by1 c. ax2, by2 plus c. Do after that. Now further I do this. K minus ax1, by1 c. ax2, by2 plus c. Denominator ax2, by2 plus c. I multiply this one by denominator, both numerator and denominator. Then we know this part positive and here negative. Therefore, if ax1, by1 plus c, ax2, by2 plus c part positive, then corresponding k value negative. This part positive, 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 negative, k gets negative. If ax1, by1 plus c, ax2, by2 plus c less than 0, negative with this one positive. K positive. Positive. Now, may part is positive, k negative. K negative means 2 point opposite side. So same side. If this part negative means k positive, that means 2 point same side. That is my condition. Therefore, say when ax1 plus by1 plus c, ax2 plus by2 plus c greater than 0, 2 points lies same side. When ax1 plus by1 plus c times ax2 plus by2 plus c less than 0, 2 points lies opposite side. Okay, තමයි කතාව. හරි මේ තමයි proof එක දෙක වුණාට application එක මාර simple. අර point straight line relation එකෙත් එහෙම තමයි. ඒකෙත් කතාව දිගට ගියාට application එක හරි simple. අනිත් ඊළඟ part එකෙත් ඔහොමම තමයි. proof එක දාගන්න.